everybody, my name is Michelle Girak and I'm the project scientist for the Coral Reef Airborne Laboratory, or CORAL mission. Right now we're at Air Surfaces Hawaii with the heart and soul of the CORAL mission, which is the Tempest Applied Solutions Gulfstream 4, or G4. What makes this aircraft so important to CORAL is what it has inside the plane is the portable remote imaging spectrometer, or PRISM instrument, and it sees through the bottom of the plane to assess coral reef condition at 28,000 feet above the ocean surface. We are in Hawaii as part of one of our field campaigns, specifically our operational readiness test, in which we have an in-water team in Kaneohe Bay taking observations. We'll have the G4 flying over, collecting observations. The two together provides an indication of what the coral reef condition is within Kaneohe Bay. And this is sort of the nexus of coral, the in-water with the aircraft, to give a better understanding of what are our coral reefs currently undergoing and how will they change with respect to climate.
So this mission is going to help us understand corals a lot better than we know right now.
Yeah, and I think something people need to realize is that though corals are dynamic features, they can like shrink and grow just under natural things, the forcings happening to the Earth's climate right now, they're causing massive changes. And we need to understand how they're really connected up to the corals. And that's why the CORAL mission is so important.
So earlier we actually did another mission, Oceans Melting Greenland, to measure glaciers in Greenland. So how is coral and these glaciers in Greenland similar?
Yeah, so think about it. The ocean is one of the most powerful components of the Earth's system. It stores a lot of heat. And in the case of oceans melting Greenland, or even understanding the reefs, we're doing a combination of things. We got these satellites going across the sky, taking pictures, looking down. And then we have our airplanes, and the airplanes are going across at a lower level, and they're doing things like in ocean melting Greenland. They're actually dropping little sensors into the ocean that actually put a string out to understand the temperatures and the composition. But then for all these missions too, we put people right down in the water in boats, we put people over the side, and all this stuff has to come together in concert to help us really understand the Earth system.
Right.
Even
right.
computer models at the end of the day, which is what we put all this stuff into.